Okay. We're on the record. This is People versus Levani Franklin, calling case SX 342-47291. One count of improper license set for an arraignment on the bench warrant appearance.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of the defendant.
Mr. Franklin, can you say your first and last name for the record, please?
Levani Franklin.
Okay.
Your Honor, he's going to avail himself of the recommendation.
Okay. Mr. Franklin, can you raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to provide is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Okay. Did you have an opportunity to speak to Attorney Soroki in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for your plea?
No.
Are you pleading guilty on your own free will?
Yes.
You could put your hand down too. Are you pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
Do you understand, Mr. Franklin, that pleading guilty today will waive your right to a trial?
Yes.
And knowing that you're waiving that right, do you wish to continue and plead guilty?
Yes.
Okay, I'd like to bring your attention to November 23rd, 2018, around 11:54 a.m. in the city of Detroit. Were you operating a 2009 Pontiac vehicle?
Yes.
Were you stopped by, was it a Detroit Police Department officer or a state trooper?
I believe it was a state trooper, and the tickets say the 2019.
Mine says 2018.
Oh, that must have been when the warrant was sent in 2019 or something.
Maybe. Yes, scheduled for arraignment, January 2019. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so Mr. Franklin, when you were pulled over and stopped by the state trooper, did you fail to display a valid operator's license?
Yes.
Okay, satisfied?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Okay, I will accept your guilty plea. I'll reduce the charge of failure to display a valid operator's license. And did you post a bond, Mr. Franklin?
Yes, ma'am.
How much?
$240.
Okay. So that's going to cover all of your costs today. It's $190 for mandatory court costs and $25 attorney fee. So that brings it to $240. So I will apply your bond to your fines and costs today, okay?
Okay.
Do you have any questions?
Yes, what do I do as far as going to get my license? How long do I have to wait?
So there's going to be a reinstatement fee that the Secretary of State is going to charge you. It's $45. Tomorrow, give us time to put this into the system. Tomorrow you can pay the $45. And if you don't have any other outstanding matters, traffic matters, you should be able to, I don't know the timeline based off of your driving record, but the reinstatement fee, paying that triggers you having the ability to even know how long it's going to take to get it back.
Okay, so I have to go to Secretary of State and pay it, or pay it online?
You can pay it online. You can pay it on our website. We have the link and ability for people to pay it on our website, just in case they have to pay some other fines. 36districtcourt.org.
Okay.
Make sense?
Yes.
Okay, you're all set. You have a good day.
You too.
Mr. Flagg, I have you checked in.
All right.
Is it Gazuli? Julia? Okay, Jamon, how do you say your first name?
Jamon?
Jamon, okay, I had it right the first time. Mr. Johnson, good morning.
Good morning, how are you?
Fine, how are you doing?
Pretty good, pretty good.
I don't see you on the docket today.
Yeah, at 8:30.
Jamon Johnson. You have your notification card or any paperwork by any chance?
No, I don't.
Okay, I'll let the clerk check on that because I don't see you on here. Just hold tight.
Okay.
And Ms. Gazoli, can you hear me? Guess not. Oh, Mr. Johnson, your case is up on May 5th. You're a little bit early, 1 month early.
Oh, he put April 5th.
The clerk just checked, it says May 5th.
Wow. All right.
Did
Well, I
you-
appreciate that.
How many counts, or do you know what it was for?
Yeah. So they mistake me for my dad, and me and my dad has the same name. I'm a junior, and they got his mess caught up with my name, and I tried to explain to the officers like, "Yo, you got my dad," and he was like, "But this is your information." I'm just like, "We have the same name, sir."
Okay,
So-
so is this set for a trial or is it just for a pretrial? Do you know? The first step?
Pre-trial, yeah, probably, yeah.
Okay. It says here bench warrant arraignment. Okay, stay on the line because I'm going to go ahead and after I take care of a couple matters, so you don't have to wait a whole month to take care of that, okay? Just hold
Okay.
tight, don't hang up. Ms. Gazuli, can you hear me? Okay. Let's handle Ms. Johnson, Shaniqua Johnson. Calling case SP 108-77651, the people versus Shaniqua Johnson. 1 count of no insurance. Set for an arraignment on the bench warrant. Appearance.
Good morning, Your Honor. Pauline Soroki, BF Ms. Johnson. She wishes to avail herself of the recommendation.
Okay, Ms. Johnson, can you state your full name for the record?
Shaniqua Johnson.
Okay, Ms. Johnson, you do not have insurance, is that correct?
Correct.
Okay, just want to make sure. Let me pull your matter. Okay, Ms. Johnson, can you raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to provide is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Okay, did you have an opportunity to speak to Attorney Soroki today in private about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for your plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty on your own free will?
Yes.
And are you pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Because I'm guilty.
Do you understand pleading guilty today will waive your right to a trial?
Yes.
And knowing that you're waiving that right to trial, do you wish to continue and plead guilty?
Yes, I don't want no trial though.
I
I'm
said,
sorry.
knowing that you're giving up your right to trial, do you wish to continue and plead guilty?
Yes.
Okay. You can put your hand down.
Okay. Sorry.
No, you're fine. I'd like to bring your attention to July 15th, 2020, around 1:51 p.m. Somewhere around Livernois in the city of Detroit. Were you operating a 2009 Hyundai vehicle?
Yes.
And were you stopped by a Detroit Police Department officer?
Yes.
And at that time, did you fail to display a valid operator's license?
I had license.
I'm sorry, did you fail to provide insurance?
Yes.
Okay, satisfied?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Okay, I will reduce the charge to improper plates. That'll be 0 points on your license. Ms. Johnson, did you post the bond?
No.
Okay, so it's gonna be $240, just like the last gentleman. That takes care of mandatory court costs and a $25 attorney fee. I typically give 90 days. Is that enough time for you to take care of that?
Yes.
Okay, you have any questions?
No.
All right, you're all set. You have a good day.
You too. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, I'm gonna put you in with Shannon Jackson. And her offer is going to be for failure to display.
Okay, thank you.
Shannon Jackson,
Yes.
Okay, go ahead and hit join on your screen. In about 10 seconds, it'll pop up. I'll take you
Just-
to a breakout room with Attorney Soroki.
Just tap my screen.
It should pop up right now. You just hit join.